Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new Google account step by step. With this particular account, you can use Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Android phones, and many other Google services. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, or you can also follow the same steps in the Google application on your phone or on your computer. So here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Google sign in, and this way you are going to be redirected here on this particular page. Now here click on the option of create account. Now it will ask whether you want to create a personal account, child account, or a business account. So I'm going to be selecting the personal account. Now you need to provide your first name here. So after providing your first name, you can add your last name, then click on the option of next. Now on the next page, it is going to ask you to select your date of birth. So here you just have to provide these details, select your gender, then press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to show you some of the default emails which you can select, like it has given you the username, but you can also create your own Gmail address by clicking on this option and providing the email of your own. So once you do this, simply press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to ask you to create a strong password for your account. So you just have to provide a password that is mix of the letters, numbers, and the symbols so that it is harder for others to guess. You need to type it again in the second method, and then you just have to simply press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you may be asked to add a phone number, and this is helpful for the account recovery if you forget your password, but in some regions it can be optional. So you can add the recovery email if you have another address, and then simply just click on the option of next and you will get access to your Google account in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.